Hi everyone, and welcome to the Box Institute's tutorial on how to create a combo chart in Microsoft Excel. In this video, we're going to show you how to combine two different chart types into one chart to display multiple data sets effectively. A combo chart is also called a combination chart, so let's get started. Here we have a set of data showing each of the products that we've sold, the quantity that we've sold, and the total sales associated to each one of those products. And what we want to do is create a combo chart that has both the quantity sold and the total sales in one chart. First thing we do is we highlight our data. We go to Insert at the top. We go over to this icon here, which says Insert Combo Chart, and we pick the first one here, Clustered Column and Line Chart. So here you'll see that we have two charts combined into one. We have a line chart and we have a clustered column chart. Now what we want to do is change this slightly, and here's why. This axis here, 0 to 6,000, you'll see that the quantity sold is such a small number in comparison to the total sales. For example, here we have a quantity sold of 62, but we have total sales in the thousands. So what we want to do is we want to shift one of these values to the secondary column. And to do that easily, we click on one of the values. This here is the total sales. And we click on Change Chart Type here at the top. And now you'll see here in the series name, we have quantity sold. And in the chart type, we have clustered column. And then we have an option to change it to the secondary axis, and we can make either one of those on the secondary axis. So let's choose quantity sold, and we click that box and we say OK. And now you can much more easily see the two types of values and what they are. And we can actually even add some data labels onto this if we choose to. But here we can see now we have our total sales in a line chart, and we can easily see the quantity sold for each one of those products. And of course, we can obviously change the chart title here to quantity sold and total sales. And we can do some other options with this too. We can add some other chart elements. We can change around our axis. We can add titles to our axis if we choose to. We can change our chart title to be centered above the chart. We could have no chart title. So these are a bunch of different options here. But just from the perspective of creating a combo chart, that is how you do it. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed our video, check out the next one.